Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Fortran programming. Codeium's AI powered features can enhance your Fortran development with smart code sessions and completions. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Fortran project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Fortran code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time sessions. These sessions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a session, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Fortran file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Fortran programming such as numerical computation, data processing, and algorithm implementation. It offers intelligent sessions based on Fortran best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a loop or a mathematical function, Codeium will suggest completions for functions, arguments, and implementation details, making it easier to write well-structured Fortran code. Codeium also supports Fortran-specific features like subroutines, functions, and modules. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Fortran, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of sessions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring sessions to improve your Fortran code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Fortran code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium sessions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing and data validation. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Fortran programming. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Fortran code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.